Anything illegal in the truck, man?
No, hell no.
Go up there and I can look through it and ain't gonna find nothing?
Hell no. Hell no. Go ahead.
Okay. All right, buddy. What's your feet?
Welcome back to Advocacy Alchemy with Professor Ross. Today we got a good one, guys. We have a compelling case to dive into. A Thanksgiving week traffic stop in Scioto County, Ohio, took an unexpected turn when state troopers discovered over $146,000 worth of methamphetamine and fentanyl in a rented vehicle. What started as a routine traffic infraction quickly evolved into a major drug bust. This case is a perfect example of how everyday law enforcement encounters can uncover significant criminal activity. Let's break it all down, starting with the footage itself.
Hello. How you doing, buddy? Driver's license with you? What happened to the windshield? I noticed that when you passed me back there.
Oh, I was doing some movement with some wood and doors. So they kind of cracked the windshield.
Okay. Also, whenever you were coming around that curve back there, you kept drifting over the center line.
Oh yeah, it's this. I got the adjuster for the lane. So when it get close,
it pulls you a little bit or something?
Yeah.
You definitely crossed over a couple times when you were in the left lane there.
Yeah, I was just trying to, and then with the big truck.
Yeah, do you have a...
Oh, the paperwork right here, sir.
Where you headed to?
Picking my sister up for the holidays.
Where's that at?
Down there, it's 50 miles away.
Huntington, maybe?
I think so, or like right by.
Okay. Don't think that's what I need. I'm gonna come on that side there, okay?
Oh, it's right. Okay.
That's all. Well, that's all the like paperwork for the truck. It's not the actual rental agreement.
Okay.
I'll have you come back here with me real quick since you don't have a driver's license.
Okay.
And we'll figure out what we're gonna do.
For sure. My shoes over here.
Yeah, you're fine, buddy. Pick over and grab them. Oh. I am gonna pat you down real quick. I smell marijuana coming from the car big time. So, oh yeah, you got blunt spray up there too.
No, I mean I do got a small thing of marijuana though.
Okay, how much you have?
Like 2 grams.
2 grams. I'm just gonna pat you down real quick.
Oh, yeah.
Have you have a seat back here, and then nothing on you's gonna stick me in front of buddy.
Oh, sorry. No. Oh no.
No, you're fine. All right, now check up between your legs here, man. I won't catch you off guard. All right, buddy, you can have a seat back here for me real quick. So is there somebody from Huntington that can come pick you up since you don't have a driver's license? Somebody figured out how to get here?
I can call.
Okay. Swing your feet in there. I'll issue the citation real quick and then we'll figure it out.
So just to be, like I said, to be honest with you ahead of time, because like I said, I just like be forward, you know what I'm saying? This is my first trip. I understand that, I ain't really supposed to be driving.
Yeah, you don't have a license.
So, like I said, I don't got no excuse. You know what I'm saying? I don't want you to run into look at my name and then okay, he ain't got no license.
Right. Yeah.
I just can't, like I said.
Anything illegal in the truck, man?
No, hell no.
Go up there and I can look through it and ain't gonna find nothing.
Hell no. Go ahead.
Okay. All right, buddy. What's your phone? Is there 2 phones up there?
Yeah.
Which one would you need?
The one with the black.
The black one?
Yeah.
Okay. Whew. My goodness, this thing stinks. Yep. Man, that thing reeks of weed. You say you got 2 grams up there?
Yeah, it's in the little the console.
Okay. So I go up and I check it, and I'm not gonna find anything else besides the weed, right?
Yeah, you can open up and check it and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, I just like to, you know. Yeah.
So you gotta drive all the way down here, pick your sister up, and turn around, and go back.
Shit, hell yeah, her and her wife.
So
I mean, but my mom ain't cooked in 2 years for Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
So, you know.
Yeah, you're suspended. They couldn't get a car to drive it themselves, or?
No.
So you gotta take them back after Thanksgiving too?
Yes, sir.
That sucks.
I know. And it's crazy. My mom was like, "Be careful." And see, my mom, she has like, she was already in a bad accident.
Yeah.
Or she usually does it.
Right.
But she's using the strength that she has to, you know what I'm saying,
yeah.
to cook. So I just, you know, like I said, I ain't supposed to be driving, but I took a chance on it. You know, just,
yeah.
Like I said, I had it on cruise control. You know.
I didn't get you for speeding. I just got you for the lane violation. And when you passed me back there, I noticed your windshield was all
so,
busted up on that side.
Yeah, so I gotta take responsibility. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Like I said, feel free.
1784 checkup.
Look in the car, ain't got nothing.
Checks.
How long you been on the force?
Almost 20 years.
Damn.
Yeah.
You OG. So what's your rank?
I'm still just a little old trooper.
What?
Yeah.
After 20 years?
I like it though.
But like, how does that work? Do you get a chance to?
Yeah, I could try to get promoted if I wanted to. I just have no desire to do it.
Okay.
I like doing what I do.
Yeah.
I got a really flexible schedule, so that's a big plus.
Yeah. I was gonna say how does that work with holidays and things?
Well, where I got the position I have, I'm pretty flexible, so I can take holidays off if I want.
Oh, okay. Damn.
Yep.
Do you choose to? Like, do you have like?
Yeah, like tomorrow I'll take off. Yeah, that's the best thing about my position is I got the flexible schedule, so I can work whenever I need to and don't miss anything with my kids.
Yeah. What kind of? How many kids you have?
3.
Ooh. Boys, girls.
I've got a girl who's 20, a son who's 18, and another one that's 15.
So you said who's the oldest?
My daughter is.
Your daughter?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, I ain't crossed that little bit. I ain't got no kids.
How old are you?
I'm 26.
26. I think it's when I had my first one. I was 26.
I just haven't found no, you know.
Yep.
I haven't found no like a girl or a woman to, like, I don't have a girlfriend. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
responsibility. You know
Oh,
what I'm
yeah.
saying? Like,
Yep.
that's why,
Yeah, actions have consequences, and if you can't handle the consequences, then
for sure.
you probably shouldn't handle those actions.
I don't know.
Now that you've seen the critical moments of this encounter, let's break down the laws at play. This case involves multiple Ohio laws, starting with traffic violations. The initial stop was for speeding and drifting over the center line, routine issues that often lead to uncovering more serious crimes. The real focus here is on drug possession and trafficking. Under Ohio Revised Code, Section 2925.11, possession of methamphetamine and fentanyl in these quantities constitutes a first-degree felony. The discovery of over 3 pounds of methamphetamine and 70 grams of fentanyl qualifies the driver for major drug offender status, which brings enhanced penalties. Ohio Revised Code Section 2925.03 adds trafficking charges if intent to distribute is proven. For example, the quantity of drugs and their packaging could indicate intent to sell, elevating the seriousness of the charges. To understand how cases like this progress, we need to discuss evidentiary standards. These are the levels of proof required at various stages of the legal process. Let's walk through them with examples from this case. Number 1, mere suspicion. Mere suspicion is a hunch with no concrete evidence. For example, the trooper noticing the driver's erratic lane changes might fall under mere suspicion. Number 2, reasonable suspicion. Reasonable suspicion is a belief based on specific facts pointing to potential criminal activity. The smell of marijuana coming from the vehicle gave the trooper reasonable suspicion to investigate further. Number 3, probable cause. Probable cause means there's enough evidence to justify a search or an arrest. In this case, the marijuana smell combined with its driver's responses provide probable cause for a vehicle search. Number 4, preponderance of the evidence. This standard applies in civil cases and means it's more likely than not something is true. For example, in a civil forfeiture proceeding involving the seized vehicle, the state would need to show that the car was more likely used in criminal activity. Number 5, clear and convincing evidence. This standard requires a high probability of truth. Bodycam footage and lab results could meet this standard in pretrial hearings to support the charges. Number 6, beyond a reasonable doubt. Finally, beyond a reasonable doubt is the standard for criminal convictions. Prosecutors must prove that the driver knowingly possessed and intended to distribute the drugs to secure a conviction. This case is a clear example of how small actions like a routine traffic stop can lead to major criminal discoveries. It also shows the importance of following evidentiary standards to ensure that justice is served fairly and accurately. Thank you for joining me today on Advocacy Alchemy. Stay tuned for more real-life cases like this that illustrate the inner workings of our legal system. Remember, knowledge of the law is power. Until tomorrow, I'm Professor Ross, and this was Advocacy Alchemy. You all have a good day. See you tomorrow.